Hey guys, welcome back to Operation RV. I'm so glad you had a chance to stop back by. So, like the video title says, it's going to be an extraordinary day today. Why? Because Operation RV channel is going to be doing a giveaway. That is right, an actual giveaway. It's going to be pretty simple. So I had a chance to talk with the marketing team there, and what they want to do is they want to give you guys, my subscribers, my viewers, a free gift. And it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is enter to win. So what you have to do is first make sure that you live within the first 48 states of the US. And two, an actual physical address. It cannot be a P.O. box. They can't send the gifts out with the P.O. box. And of course, be 18 and older. So what we're gonna do is, and here is the meat on the potatoes. You have to pay attention and look for my next video that I post. Within that video, I'm going to send you guys a secret word, okay? It's going to be a secret word that's going to be somewhere in my video, and all you have to do is reply back to me, send me that secret word in my comments, but also be subscribed, and I'll know instantly who that first person is going to be. And so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll reach out to you guys, and all I need is your first and last name and your address on where you want the item sent. And you're probably saying, hey, Operation RV, what am I going to win today? Well, check it out. Super Clean has offered me to go ahead and send you guys 2 free bottles. The first bottle is going to be a 32 ounce of Super Clean Original, and then the second bottle is going to be a 32 ounce Super Clean Foaming Action. So guess what, guys? Y'all stick around. Y'all look for this next video because it's coming out real soon. And remember, send me the secret word in the comment. Be sure that you're subscribed, and I can't wait to send you guys, that's right, a super clean prize. Stay tuned, guys.